There's a type of campaign that the Palin team loves working on, which is disease awareness and health promotion. But we're fully aware that those campaigns need to drive tangible, measurable outcomes. So for example, with our work on More Than Once a Night Man for our friends at GSK, the aim there was to increase conversations between blokes and symptoms related to enlarged prostates. And what we saw as a result of that campaign was significant increases in traffic to the website, but also thousands and thousands of self-assessments done online as men went to determine whether or not they were affected by the symptoms and whether or not a conversation with a GP might help. One of the key challenges in these disease awareness campaigns is in the communication of risk, because if people can self-exempt from the risk, if they see the risks as not very big, as not relevant to them, as only likely to affect other people, then there's a chance they can disregard the messages that we're trying to get across. The notion of someone being at 12% increased risk of contracting a disease may not mean very much, but if we can colour that by saying the number of people affected could fill ANZ Stadium and the MCG combined, then we start to paint a picture of the extent to which the disease is having an impact in the community and possibly could affect the individuals listening to the story. Another important tactic is in the personalisation of the disease or of the risk. We need to create opportunities for people affected by the disease to tell their personal stories about what happened to them, let people identify with that risk and with those real lived experiences as a way of really getting home the reality of the disease. So if you're looking to drive a disease awareness campaign, the Palin team would love to be involved for you, and we'd love to hear from you. We've done a range of these disease awareness campaigns in allergy, in asthma, in immunology, in cancer, all using these principles of communicating risk, building community service style campaigns, and it's the kind of work that the Palin team really enjoys.